Qingdao Huashida is a joint-stock high-tech enterprise with a factory area of over 30,000 square meters, more than 100 employees, and an annual sales revenue exceeding $30 million. It primarily produces steel pipe L3PE, FBE coating line, PU foaming pre-insulation pipe production line, HDPE pipe extrusion line, NBR rubber foaming insulation pipe production line, HDPE PP plastic sheet film production line. The company has developed a diverse product range, offering 40 different categories of products. Huashida possesses comprehensive testing equipment and strong processing capabilities, including 10 conventional machining devices, more than 30 CNC processing centers, drilling and milling centers, and 20,000-watt CNC laser processing centers. The high-precision machining centers ensure the accuracy of processed components, thereby guaranteeing the stability and reliability of the equipment and providing strong support for supply capacity.